like to be a part of season 13 so that I could get to meet Siddharth Shukla. His loss was just like losing one of my family member because I've been a huge fan of his work and his personality that I've got to see as a audience in the show.
आपकी नींद बहुत जल्दी उड़ने वाली है once you go inside the Big Boss 15 house.
एग्जैक्टली तभी तभी मुझे नींद पूरी करनी है जब तक मैं इस दुनिया में हूँ.
यहाँ पे इसी दुनिया में रहोगे, but it would be a lot more, how do I put it, spicy inside.
Yeah.
Hi guys, you're watching Desi Martini and my name is Zenia Bandopadhyay. Today we have with us one of the contestants of Big Boss 15. You have seen her in several TV shows and you have loved her as Imli in Uran. We are talking about Vidhi Pandya. Vidhi, welcome to Desi Martini.
Thank you for such a lovely introduction. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This year, this season, it's the jungle theme और काफी सारे survival tasks भी करने होंगे. Do you feel prepared for the survival tasks and do you feel prepared for what is to come inside the house?
I think I can never be prepared because I just don't even know what's going to happen. So I'm just mentally preparing myself to face and to deal with everything that's going to happen inside. So yeah, I'm just mentally every second just what do we say, preparing myself. Yeah.
Okay, and as I said, jungle theme में ये question पूछना तो बनता है that which animal do you relate to the most?
I am puppy and tiger is both. So I am
Okay.
as lazy and I feel baby as a puppy. कि मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना. I just want to be pampered. I just want to sit at one place, do nothing. And then the tigress part of me comes when there is something wrong happening. Then I really get aggressive. Then I really have my point of view and my opinion and I have my own stand that I take. So yeah.
बिग बॉस में झगड़े ना हो ऐसा तो कभी नहीं होता. तो हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू डील विथ ऑल द झगड़ा दैट माइट कम योर वे?
I don't know. Firstly, I will try and understand ये हुआ क्यों, सामने वाले का क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि शायद वो सही हो, मैं गलत हूँ. सो आई वुड लाइक टू take a pause and think what is actually happening around before I raise my voice or before I say something. But a lot of time हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट में आप बहुत कुछ बोलते हो, बहुत कुछ करते हो, वो सोचने समझने का टाइम कई बार होता नहीं है जो हम देखते हैं. बट आई try and find my way to think before I react on something.
Have you watched the other seasons of Big Boss?
Yeah, I have seen. I've not like gone through every single episode of and every single minute of the episode, but I did have an idea. I do
Okay.
have an idea about the show and I've seen it briefly.
Okay, so if you could go back in time, then which season would you want to be a part of?
I'd like to be a part of season 13 so that I could get to meet Siddharth Shukla.
Okay, so Siddharth Shukla is no more. And how did you process that news?
Yeah, his loss was just like losing one of my family member because I've been a huge fan of his work and his personality that I've got to see as an audience in the show. And he's just given us too many reasons to smile, too many memories to cherish. So I'd like to keep him alive as long as I am alive, through his memories. And I would like to, let him be in peace.
It's quite given that Siddharth has been one of your favorite contestants, but I would also like to ask who has been one of your least favorite contestants in Big Boss?
Least favorite. I don't know. I can't pick one name like that. वो जो जबरदस्ती deliberately लड़ाई करते हैं, झगड़े करते हैं, just to be visible, just to be seen. I think I don't like these kind of people. Someone who's different, someone जिसके साथ मेरी vibe match नहीं करती और सोच match नहीं करती. I think that is fine. You meet different kind of human beings in your life. But someone who's fake, who does it deliberately, to gain some fame and all those things, then I don't like it. So I don't like any of these kind of people.
All right. Also, since you said that you have watched somewhat watched other seasons as well, काफी बार ऐसा सुनने को मिलता है that people on social media say that Salman Khan is being biased, he's taking sides. Have you ever felt that?
No, I have honestly never felt that. I mean, having a favorite contestant, that's natural, that's normal. If he ever had a favorite contestant, but I don't think he's ever been biased. I think he's always stood for what's right, and he's always datofied everybody. जिन जिन की गलती होती थी. So I never felt that he's ever been biased.
Okay. Also, Big Boss is known for, the jodis that we see inside the house. काफी सारी seasons में हमने देखा है contestants have found love inside the house. Are you open to finding love inside?
No, no, no. I think it's a very personal and it's a very private thing. I think it has to be kept private only. I wouldn't appreciate myself with somebody romancing in the house in front of the cameras. I think I'm way too personal for all of these things.
Are praying that you would lift the trophy. So good luck for your Big Boss journey, and we hope that you make all of them proud.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.